Hello and welcome to Kawai MedSmart demo. Kawai MedSmart is a business analytics product built for healthcare providers to achieve both operational and planning excellence. In this demo, I'll be showing the capabilities of MedSmart through some sample analytics views. MedSmart gives critical insights to all major aspects of its operations through various dashboards and analytic views, which can easily be customized as per hospital's requirement. Now, this enables the hospital management to take timely and informed decisions. Financial dashboard provides an overview of the hospital's revenue costs compared against targets and brings out actionable insights, enabling proactive decision making to meet their goals. A drill down to every contributing indicator, again which can be customized, helps the stakeholders to pinpoint the problem areas by referring to the related detailed tabular view. The benefit is that hospitals can monitor the key resultant values influencing performance. In MedSmart, all the reports and charts can easily be scheduled to run at specific time and at predefined frequency with email notifications. Various display options are available to the users, like data filtering and data formatting. I can show one example here. In MedSmart, all the reports and charts can easily be exported using various file formats. Key performance indicators. For any selected period, KPIs are shown for current year, current quarter, and current month, and a drill down against the respective year, quarter, and month. The current performance indicators are compared against previous and next period. These KPIs can be customized as per requirement of the hospital management. After viewing KPI analytics, department performance analytics can tell how any department is performing against another department or top end or bottom end performing departments. Physician performance analysis helps in identifying the top or bottom end performing physicians and helps in retaining right physician talent. Apart from these, there are various operational views like ward utilization by revenue, operation theatre utilization by occupancy, and many more. Similarly, there are many clinical views like patient analysis by diagnosis, average length of stay by diagnosis, etc. There are various OLAP cubes available to the users which give insights into data by letting the user slice, dice, and filter the data however they want. Through what-if analysis, it is possible to see how changing values by user of certain indicators affect the outcome. And that's all for this demo. For more information, please log on to www.medsmart.co.in or visit www.kawai.com. Thank you.